So, this girl is tired. Like, I am really tired of my nails looking this horrible. I am tired.
1, 2, 3.
Hunnnnnaaaayyyy, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Antoinette, but you can call me Anto. On here we do tips, tricks, DIYs, fashion, beauty, and vlogs. So if you're someone interested in that and much more, honey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified every time there's a new video on here. But if you've been here with me for a while now, thank you. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the likes and comments. I appreciate you all. You guys are the real MVPs. So, this girl is tired. Like, I am really tired of my nails looking this horrible. I am tired. Nail salons are still closed. But a girl has got to slay those fingers. Seriously, my cuticles are so horrible. You can see right for yourself. My cuticles, everything is just messy right now for me. So at this point, I'm not gonna sit here and lick my wounds. And I said to myself, I said, no, I'm not going to sit down with nails as horrible as this. So, your girl decided to do something about these nails. I bought some goodies on Amazon. Here, I bought nails already designed, already made. And also, I bought this 2-in-1 manicure and pedicure kit. Amazon better sponsor me, because being a Prime customer, I do a lot of shopping on Amazon. So this is the manicure and pedicure kit that I bought alongside the nails of Amazon, and I'm going to put the links in the description box, so in case you want it, you can get it for yourself. And also here I have the nail glue. So I need to do something about these nails today. So let's get right into the video. So these are my fingers. Let's get this done. I am not a pro. I'm just doing this for my own convenience. There are 24 nails in the pack, and we have 4 of the nails that already came in designed with rhinestones. These are already designed nails. So I'm going to try to size my nails. I'm going to try to see which one will fit which finger, and then I'll try to work with that. But before that, I'm going to use my kit, my manicure pedicure kit, to prep my nails very well, so when the glue gets on it, it's going to stick very well, and that will last me much longer. Yep. Right now I'm getting out everything that I think I need. I'm not a professional, but I'm trying to see which one will suit my need. That's one sharp nail cutter. Seems to be really good. I use my African shea butter. So I use this to oil my hands and also blend them up in my cuticles. I'm using the African shea butter because I forgot to buy the cuticle oil. And we all know how good shea butter is. Whoa. Whoa. Honey. Honey. Look at my nails. Look. Look at that. Oh my God. Listen, you better hurry up and take care of those nails. Don't wait till your cuticles are raving mad at you. This is so easy and affordable. This is mind-blowing. The nails are already designed with rhinestones. Like 4 of the nails are already designed with rhinestones. You see them? You can see those. Look, you see that? You see that? Good. If you want the nails, you can get it below 13. I think it was $12 some cents. I can't remember. I don't know the exact price. I also don't know the exact price of the manicure and pedicure set. But the nail glue I bought for $1 and some cents. So, honey, we don't know when those nail salons are going to be opened. So, girl, do something. Do something about those nails because, honey, I just did. And say it. Go on, say it. I know you like it. I know you like it, right? Look at that. Look at that. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Because, honey, when you like and comment on my videos, and also subscribe to my channel, that is how you support my channel. So, keep showing that love. Keep giving the support. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.